How to fix WhatsApp verification code not coming in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you're not receiving your WhatsApp verification code on your iPhone, you can watch this video till the end to fix the issue. So first thing that you'll need to do is the basic checks, that is your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to the internet and also verify your phone number on your WhatsApp. Then make sure that you're not on airplane mode. And also, you can update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So these are the basic stuff. So let's update our WhatsApp. Head over to your app store, search for WhatsApp. Then if you see an update button like this, tap on update and update the app. After you've done that, what you can do is you can clear out WhatsApp's cache. To clear out its cache, you can go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Then on your iPhone storage, simply search for WhatsApp. So let me search for WhatsApp here. There we go. Then tap on the offload app button. And then after you've offloaded the app, reinstall it back again. And after you've done that, your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.